Hello, today we are going to talk about sensation. All knowledge comes to us through senses. Stimulation leads to the sensation. Four essential steps are involved in stimulation if stimulation is to lead to sensation. These are: 1. A stimulus must be applied. A stimulus is some form of radiant, mechanical, or other energy that activates a receptor or group of receptors. 2. The stimulus must stir certain receptor cells or nerve endings into activity. 3. Nerve impulses must travel from the receptor cells or nerve endings through the central nervous system to the brain. 4. Activity must be aroused in the sensory areas of the brain, producing conscious sensation. Each class of sensory activity has its own special center in the brain. If each of the four steps is missing, there is no sensation. Stimulus intensity. Energy strong enough to produce a response is said to be above absolute threshold. Energy too weak to produce a response is said to be below absolute threshold. Whether our senses can discriminate a change in stimulus intensity depends upon the ratio of the added intensity to the intensity of the previous stimulation. Sensory adaptation. Senses adapt a particular stimuli. Senses adapt to particular stimuli. One of the examples is where we see gradually after staying in a dark room. That's where we say we have adapted to the sensation. Senses and sense organs. We have 5 commonly known senses, but we have 6. These are sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of touch, sense of taste, sense of smell, and the somatic senses, which include A. Kinesthetic sense, that's for movement, and B. Labyrinthine sense, that's position of the body. Attention. Attention is an adjustment of the body and its sense organs in reaction to the stimuli. When we attend to something, we adjust the body and its sense organs to receive particular stimulus most readily. From among the many stimuli which are within range physiologically, we select and consciously react to only those that are related to our present needs and interests. This situation is known as selective attention. Now, factors affecting Attention. Attention can be affected by the following factors. 1. Prepotency. 2. Change. 3. Size. 4. Repetition. 5. Organic condition. And 6. Interests.